Friends, in this tutorial, we discuss about the line tool extra bonus tip. Sometimes we use line tool, we face some difficulties to create the straight line parallel to the axis, etc. So today I give the special tip without any mistake you can draw your line. So first I am choosing my line tool. So normally if I use line tool, so which direction move my mouse, so it automatically change the colors. So red, green, blue and the black. So black one indicate you are not in the straight to particular axis. Okay. Now I use my keyboard arrow keys to lock the particular axis. So now I tell how to use perfectly. So if I am pressing right arrow key in the keyboard, the line tool automatically lock in the particular red axis direction. So my mouse if moving anywhere, only the line going through red axis. So if move all over 360 degree, the line tool cannot move other axis. So it's locked in red axis. Okay. So I want to exact green axis. So now I am using left arrow key. So it locked in green axis. Okay. The lines cannot move. So this way you can quickly draw your line without any mistake. Again I want to draw Z axis, the blue axis. So I just press up arrow key. My mouse cursor automatically turn to blue axis. If you want to down, you can move mouse to down. If you want to up, you can move your mouse to up. Up and down only the mouse move. Anywhere cannot move. So if you want to left side green axis, I use right arrow as a red axis. Okay. Again one more tip. Same way, if I want to parallel to this line, parallel to this particular line means I use down arrow key. Which line is parallel to this particular line? It automatically highlighted in the pink color. Okay. So I create a line. That line to parallel to this line. This is very useful while creating a big model. Quickly finish with your arrow keys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.